Okay, first one, eclampsia. I'm sure all of you have got that correctly. Second one, 34, IDDM insulin dose was increased, persistently high, sweating and palpitation soon after arrival in the clinic. This is what I'm interested to know. Okay, M. Okay, anything else? Fantastic. I am happy that you guys didn't choose dissection or something else. So I'm glad that you have got a situational awareness, and that's what is important. Fantastic, guys. Hey, all of you have got all the 6 questions correctly, so don't worry. And I think, guys, I don't know, I wanted to put a labor analgesia question, the same one, that paracetamol, pethidine and all that. Instead of that, I thought to give you the gist about all this, okay? This PPT would be uploaded. You guys can go through this. What is the difference? How you go about? And also postnatal analgesia, what do you do when? Okay? Clear? Please go through this, okay?